Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious veggie burritos. First, select your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini. You'll also need tortillas, beans, rice, and your preferred seasonings. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother. We'll cover cooking the filling to perfection and then assembling your burritos for a satisfying meal. Let's get started. Proper preparation is key to a great burrito. Begin by washing and chopping all your vegetables into roughly 1/2-inch pieces so they cook evenly. If using canned beans, rinse them well under cold water to remove excess sodium. Get your cheese, salsa, or any other toppings ready. Finally, gently warm your tortillas in a microwave or on a dry skillet for about 15 seconds each. This makes them pliable and less likely to tear. Now let's create that flavorful filling. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Sauté chopped onions and minced garlic until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Add your harder vegetables like carrots or bell peppers and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until tender crisp. Stir in the rinsed beans, corn, and a generous 2 teaspoons of your favorite taco seasoning. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the flavors to combine beautifully. It's time for the best part, assembly. Place a warm tortilla on a clean, flat surface. Spoon about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of your delicious veggie filling into the center, leaving about 1 inch of space around the edges. Add any extra toppings you love, such as shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or a spoonful of salsa. Fold in the sides, then fold up the bottom and roll tightly from the bottom to the top. Enjoy your homemade veggie burrito.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.